welcome to our YouTube channel. Titled Phone to VS, iPhone 14 Pro Max The Ultimate Showdown. Introduction host. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting comparison that's been highly requested. In this corner, we have the mysterious Phone 2. A device that's been making waves in the smartphone industry. And in the opposite corner, we have Apple's latest and greatest, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Get ready for the ultimate showdown as we put these two smartphones head-to-head. Segment 1 Design and Build. Host. Let's kick things off with the design and build quality. Both phones boast premium materials, but which one really stands out? Phone 2's sleek and futuristic design vs. the timeless elegance of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. We'll examine the build, ergonomics, and overall aesthetics to see which one impresses us the most. Segment to display. Host. When it comes to displays, these devices are known for setting new standards. Phone 2 is rumored to have a groundbreaking OLED panel, while the iPhone 14 Pro Max features Apple's latest Retina XDR technology. Join us as we compare their resolution, color accuracy, and other display features to see which one offers the most immersive visual experience. Segment 3 Performance. Host. Raw power is essential for any flagship device, and both Phone 2 and iPhone 14 Pro Max come equipped with the latest processors and massive RAM. We'll run some intensive benchmarks and real-world tests to find out which one handles multitasking and demanding applications with ease. Segment for Camera. Host. Smartphone photography has come a long way, and the camera capabilities of these two devices are no exception. Phone 2 boasts a triple lens setup with AI-enhanced features, while the iPhone 14 Pro Max's quad camera system is powered by Apple's renowned computational photography. We'll compare their photo and video quality in various scenarios to see which one truly excels. Segment 5 User Experience. Host. Beyond the specs, the user experience is what really matters. We'll delve into the software, UI design, and unique features offered by each phone. Phone 2's customizable interface vs. the seamless integration of iOS on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Which one offers the smoother and more intuitive user experience? Segment 6 Battery Life. Host. In a world where we're always on the go, battery life is critical. We'll put Phone 2 and iPhone 14 Pro Max to the test with intensive usage, streaming, and gaming to see which one lasts the longest and keeps us connected throughout the day. Segment 7 Pricing and Value. Host. Last but not least, let's talk about the price and overall value proposition. We'll weigh the features, performance, and overall package of both phones to determine which one gives you the best bang for your buck. Conclusion. Host. And there you have it, our epic showdown between Phone 2 and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Which one emerged as the winner? Well, you'll have to watch till the end to find out. Let us know your thoughts and which phone you'd pick in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to stay updated on all things tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Outro. Host. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your tech-savvy friends. For more exciting comparisons and the latest tech news, stay tuned, and as always, have a fantastic day. Keywords are essential for YouTube videos as they help optimize the video's discoverability and reach a broader audience. Here are some keywords related to the Phone 2 vs. iPhone 14 Pro Max.